This is my little boat. Yes, hello my friend. We're like to Maya Bay. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, so I took some cash pretty much. Right now, like the goal will be to just find a boat, right? And yes, let's go, let's do it. As you can see, this is a really sunny day, right? Because like in the 3+ days it was something a little bit like rainy, right? Rainy and cloudy, whatever, right? But now it's pretty much fixed and we can pretty much enjoy this nice and fantastic weather. Let's go, let's do it. It's really cool. So we found finally just the boat, and this is the private boat that I just found pretty much now. It just cost me 1,500 like baht, right? Pretty good deal, given the fact that normally you should pay something like 2,000. So I bargained my way and finally 1,500. It's possible. So if you bargain, you can have a private boat for like 1,500, and it's a pretty good price. Okay, so let's go in the boat. Nice.
Easy.
Yes, nice boat by the way. Yes, pretty good. Yes. Fantastic. And this is like a private boat. This is just me and the wild, right? So this is really fantastic. And we are going Maya Bay. Let's go! Finally arrived to like pretty much Phi Phi, this fantastic island where there is Maya Bay, and we are just going to visit this and experience the vibe of the island. Let's go! So this is the first stop of like the boat trip, and this is the Viking Caves, right? That you can just see here. Viking Caves, first stop. So yes, as you can see, you can like do some snorkeling here, and this is pretty much what I will just do right now. Woo! The view is stunning. That's fantastic. It's like if we were like in paradise. It's like if I am like in paradise now. Yep. And as you can see, we just arrived in like a Phi Phi Bay, right? We'll just take a little look at this. You have this here, and this bay is just kind of like amazing, right? The view is stunning, and this is pretty much yes, what I expected like from Thailand in a way. Let's go! Okay, so we are going to go right now to Maya Bay. Okay, so this is my boat, and we just arrived to the entry pretty much of Maya Bay. So I guess that the entry is here. So actually I had to take a picture of my boat. Okay, so we are going pretty much we are going to walk a little bit more. Okay, nice. And this is pretty much like the entry of like Maya Bay, right? So you have to walk, right, to reach the bay. We don't arrive directly to the bay, to Maya Bay, so we have to take a little walk. Yeah, nice. So pretty much we're here. We're like to Maya Bay. Wow, that's fantastic. That's really cool, right? Let's go! We made it! We are going now to the beach, right? And let's see it. It's been a while that I really wanted to see pretty much this place. I heard a lot of things about this. Actually, I don't know if you just saw the beach, right? It's a really like old movie, let's say, nowadays. And this is the movie that made this place famous. This place had been closed in the past, right? Because there was like too much, pretty much people. It was like too crowded all the time. So you can't swim. You can go like pretty much at the bottom of it. You can just walk pretty much walk in the water, right? But that's pretty it. That's pretty it. You can't really swim in it. It is really worth it, right? And like at the end of pretty much this little paradise. Just come, see by yourself pretty much the place. And yes, Maya Bay. Maya Bay, baby, let's go. It's pretty nice. This is something that you have pretty much to do if you go to Phuket or if you go pretty much to Krabi. Just go, take a little boat, go to Phi Phi Island, right? And you will just end up in this little paradise pretty much. That's kind of like fantastic. It will cost you something like 1,000 baht, 1,500 baht to just take a private boat. And if you want to go to enter right to the site of Maya Bay, it will cost you something like 400 baht, right? But this is pretty good, right? This site is pretty much famous. It had been famous for like the bay pretty much of like the, you know, the famous movie of Leonardo DiCaprio, right? And I have to say that this beach is actually fantastic, right? The only thing, this is such a pain that you can't pretty much swim here. You can walk pretty much in the street, but you can't really swim here. That's okay, I guess. People said that it is to preserve, right, the ecosystem. This beach actually had been closed for like several like years and reopened recently to preserve like the ecosystem. And look at this fantastic and stunning place. That's really amazing, right? So once again, if you're here, Phuket, Phi Phi Island, Krabi, whatever, you just have to come, right, in this little paradise. For example, as you can see, there is a lot of people here, but if you want to avoid the crowd, just go like in the morning. You can go like in the morning, or in the end pretty much of the day, and you will pretty much enjoy the beach, a little bit less crowded beach. But at the end of the day, even like now, just that it seems okay to me, right? People, no people, right? It doesn't I don't mind that much, right? But if you don't like crowded places like now, Oh, like there is a little boat, and I think it will be like a fantastic picture that I will just take right now. I just have to just take the right moment of it. Like now, fantastic, right? Okay, so we just finished pretty much like the little tour, and we're going to go back to the main island. So let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so now I'm going to leave pretty much Maya Bay, right? And I'm just waiting my little boat, right? Called Crocodile. And okay, but nice. It was like a pretty pleasant experience, right? And now I'm going to leave pretty much the island, as you can see, right? Everyone is leaving, right? Pretty much the island. So yes, you can have like a private boat like this. You can have like big boats, right? You can pretty choose like the way you come here. But yes, that was a pretty nice experience. Yes. Okay, this is my little boat. Yes, hello, my friend. That's really nice. Let's go. Okay, I'm finally in pretty much the boat, ready to leave this fantastic place of like Maya Bay. And yes, let's go. The captain of the boat was fantastic. The place itself was fantastic too. And for sure, if you go here pretty much to Phuket or like Krabi or like any other places nearby in the south Thailand, you have to go by to see pretty much Maya Bay. And yes, like in the paradise. Let's go.